Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the attributes that we can apply with the hyperlink tag, right? So we have discussed about the hyperlink in the previous class, that by using hyperlink we can interlink different HTML file or other content sources together so that user can access one file from another file. So we can create a link between multiple file, multiple object using the anchor tag. That is what referred by the hyperlink. So we can also add the attribute, that is target attribute, along with the anchor tag. Okay, so how can we apply the target attribute, and what are different target attribute that we can apply with the anchor tag for creating the hyperlink object? That thing we are going to discuss today in this lecture, right? So we are going to discuss everything practically. So let me first open the text editor. You can see this is the text editor, and I have created two files. See, this is main page.html. So in the main page.html, so I have written, this is the HTML root tag. I have a head, right? Inside the head I have a title. So, and also I have a body. Inside the body I have taken a heading. You can see the heading, it is written, this is my main page. Only this thing will be written in the heading, and you can see I have enclosed this heading inside the anchor tag. So you can see opening anchor tag, closing anchor tag, and HREF attribute that has been added, and you can see, so it is written inside the HREF attribute, that is HREF. So second file.html, that means this is an hyperlink object, right? So let me show you. You can see, so this is main page.html, right? And this is the heading, this is the main page. So title is main page. So you can see this is an hyperlink object. You can check it out over here. This is the main page. This is the main page. This heading is now a hyperlink object, right? So if the user click here, you can see, if the user bring the mouse over this heading, you can see the mouse cursor has been changed to the hand symbol. So once the user bring the mouse over this heading, you can see the cursor change to a hand, right? Only because this is an hyperlink object. So what this particular hyperlink will do, if the user click here, then this particular file will be open. So let me first show you what is there in this file, that is second file.html. I have also created this second file.html. So when the user will click to this hyperlink object, as because this is enclosed between the anchor tag, the action will be taken to this particular file. So this file already have created second file.html. So root HTML head portion, in the head it will be written second page, and inside I have a body. Inside the body there is a heading. In the heading portion it will be written, this is the second page. So let me execute this first. So you can see, if I click here, this page will open, second file.html. Okay, and you can see this is the second page. As I have written here, this is the second page. So this file has opened, right? So now one by one I will show you this all attribute, right? So let me start with the self, right? So here in the main page, so this is the main page, and this is the anchor tag. Okay, I will add another attribute. The attribute name will be target, right? Let me show you. So target attribute I will add over here. Okay, target, so equal to underscore self. So what this particular target attribute will do, let us see. I have written under target equal to underscore self inside the double inverted, that is double inverted comma, right? So underscore self. So you can see over here, underscore self, underscore blank, underscore parent, underscore top, and also frame. So there are different 5 ways of using this thing, right? So we are going to discuss one by one. So let's see. First thing we are going to discuss underscore self. What does it mean? Let me first read the text over here. Default, this is by default. That means you may write, you may not write. Okay, so if you add this thing, then also the document that will open in the same window, right? Or if you do not add this thing, then also the document will open in a same window. That means in the same tag this file will open, right? So let me show you. So this is the main page.html. This is the main page.html, and you can see this is the browser window and this is the tab we are accessing, right? Now if I click here after adding the self, if I click here, you can see this file, that is second file.html has been opened, but in the same browser, using the same tag. That is what written here. Open the document in the same window or in the same tab as it was clicked. So once you can see, let me go back. You can see this is the main page.html. This is the hyperlink object. Once the user click here, in the same browser, in the same tab, the second file.html will open. That means the file which will be mentioned inside the HREF, that file will be opened in the same tab, that is in the same window, right? And it is by default. That means, what does it mean? Default means that this is not necessary to write. This is not necessary. If you don't write, by default it will work. See, so that thing you may write, you may not write. So that is the default parameter. By default, if you do not mention underscore self, it is a default parameter. If you use this anchor tag along with the href to access a file or to get into a different file, it is by default will take as a target self. It will by default take as a target self. So after removing that target attribute, if I check it out, you can see main page.html. Here it is the main page.html. Now I will click here. So after removing the target attribute, I will click here. You can see, you can watch out now. In the same browser, in the same tag, in the same tab, I have accessed, or you can say we have jumped to the second file.html. That means this self has worked. So target underscore self has worked. Okay, so still we have not mentioned. We may mention, we may not mention. In spite of that, we have removed that target underscore self. It has worked. So why? That is why it is written default, right? Now let us discuss about the second one, that is underscore blank. Target equal to underscore blank. That is target equal to underscore blank. So see, open the document in a new window or tab. See, this is quite interesting. Now see, so instead of self, I will write blank, right? So by the word blank, it is to be certain that now this file will not open in the self tab. It will take a new tab, right? Let me show you. So the target is underscore blank. So let me show you now. So let me refresh the file. This is main page. You can check out main page.html. This is the object, but now the target has been changed. Previously the target was self. You may write target underscore self, you may not write target underscore self, because target underscore self, that is the default parameter, default value, default attribute for the anchor tag. If you may not mention target underscore self, it will take automatically as target underscore self. But now you can see I have added target, that is equal to underscore blank. So once I have added that, if I click over here, you can see a new tab open. You can see this is the first tab, main page.html, but this second file.html, that means this file has opened not in the same tab. It has created a new tab, and in the new tab this file was open. Have you noticed this thing? Let me show you again. So if I click here, you can see a new tab that has been automatically created, and in this new tab this file was opened, unlike the self attribute. So had I mentioned SCLF, then you can see, or if what is the difference. So let me remove this, let me refresh the file, the main page, let me click out over here. You can see in same tab I am accessing this file, but if I write here blank, now you can watch the difference. See, if I click here, you can see a new file will be created, and in that file we have accessed that hyperlinked pages, that is this page, right? So as I told you in the previous class that we can do hyperlink to any document, we can do hyperlink to picture, we can do hyperlink to a different website. So let me show you. If I do this thing, so let me show you that, see, this is a website. I will copy the link. Okay, now here in the main page.html, so, or you can say here I will just paste the link, right? So you can see the address of the website I have put into this href, right? Now if you see what will happen, so you can see this is the main page. Okay, but now instead of the internal hyperlink, what I have done, I have put the address location of the website here inside the HREF. So if I click it, you can see in a new tab, as because the target is underscore blank, that is why in a new tab this website has been opened. So once I click here, it will first create a new tab, and in that tab this website will be opened. So you can also do one thing, you can also link to the same file, say main, right, underscore page page.html. so you can see main page.html, that means main page.html will open the main page.html, right, but that will be opened in a new tab, right? Let me show you. So see, this is main page.html. so once I click here, you can see another new tab has been created. Okay, but in that tab the same file has been opened. Why? Because I have written main page.html, the name here which is mentioned. That means from this file I will open the same file, but that file will be opened in a new tab, right? Instead of that, I can also add a picture to it. See, this is the picture name pic.jpg. If I write here pic.jpg, so it will just directly open the picture in the browser. Instead of opening any HTML file or any website, you can also open picture, you can open video, anything you can open, right? So let me show you. So if I click here, you can see in a new tab this picture will be opened, right? Why? Because I have used target underscore blank, and in a new file this picture will be opened. I hope you have understood. Now I will move forward to this parent, top, and this frame. So to do that, I have to create some more files. So let me create some more files. So you can see what I will do over here. So just I will create here another file. Let me name the file as parent, right? parent page dot html, parent page dot html, right? Now I will create another file. Okay, see, I will name the file as child page dot html, right? Now I will make another file. I will name the file as content, content, content dot html. So you can see, so child page dot html, parent page dot html, and content dot html. This three file I have created. Now let me do the writing over there. So I will open all the three files. Open file, and you can see child and content and parent. So I will open all the three files. So it is blank file, right? So I will do one thing. I will copy, okay, from the main page. You can see main page dot html. Whatever I have written, I will do one thing. I will copy it from here. First I will paste it in the content dot html. See, content dot html. Let me paste it over here. So right, so you can see. Now I will do one thing. I will remove the hyperlink. I did not require this thing now. So you can see content dot html, right? Okay, so you can see I will write here, this is the content. So this is the content dot html, and I will also add a picture, right? See, now not see how to add picture, we know that. So this is the syntax of adding picture. This tag is to insert image in your document. So the src will locate and search the image, right? So I have got an image. You can see pic.jpg. This image I will add it over here. Here I will write pic.jpg. So this src tag will locate the image, and if the image is not found in the located location, then this message will be shown, right? This thing we have discussed in the previous class, right? So let me first check out. I will do one thing. I will open this content.html in the browser. You can see this is the content and this is the picture. The picture is too large, no? So I will do one thing. I will specify the width of the picture, right? I will make it to 300. Width will be of 300, right? 300 px. So you can see this is the picture. Now I will do one thing. I will bring it at the center, both the picture and the heading, both the thing I will bring it at the center. To do that I will write center tag, center, center opening tag, center closing tag. So center opening tag, center closing tag. If I do this, you can see that this is the content and the picture, both will appear right at the center. You can see both appeared right at the center. Now I will add the background color, body background color. To do that I can just simply write bg color equal to, let's say pink, okay, this color. So you can see I have also changed the background, okay, color, that I have made it pink background color. So see, now see, this is the content file, right? Now let me copy this thing and here. So content file is ready. Now I will create the child file. So you can see this is the child file, empty file. So I have pasted all the detail over here. So whatever was there in the content file, I have copied it in the child page, right? This is the child page. So in the child page, what I have done, I have pasted everything. So I will just do one thing. I will change the color. The color will be yellow, right? In the child page, right? And another thing I will do, okay, content page. So this is content.html title. It will be written content page. So in the child page, right? Child page. Here this is child page, right? So now see, I will delete the image, right? I will take a iframe. Now I will take a iframe, iframe. So see, I have taken a iframe, right? Now iframe has a closing tag, iframe opening tag, iframe closing tag, right? So we know that inside the iframe here, that is src, search. So this iframe will search. What iframe does, that we know. So inside the iframe we can embed other source content, right? Inside the iframe we can embed other source content. It can be other web page, other website, other video, other picture, so any file that we can embed inside the iframe, and those content will be marked as external content. So here src, that is searching. So this src will find that particular content. So which content I am going to put it over here? The content will be this one, content, 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 content.html. that means see, content.html. So inside the child page I have created a iframe, right? And that iframe which we have created inside that child page .html, so this iframe will have a embedded file, that is content.html. So this content.html will put into this iframe, right? Let me show you first. So you can see this is the child page which we have created, and you can see this is the iframe. So, and this iframe has a content, that is this file has been embedded. This particular file, that is content.html, this file which we have created, this particular file content.html has been embedded inside the iframe, right? And that iframe we have drawn inside the child page.html. So let me increase the width. So let it be, let's say 400, right? And height will be, let's say 360. So fine. So let me open the thing over here, child page. So you can see we have increased the width and the height, right? So this is child page.html, and inside the child page we have the content page, right? And content page, that is embedded using the iframe tag, right? This is the child page. Now I am going to copy all the thing that I have written over here in the child page, and I will put it inside the parent page.html. See, inside the parent page.html I have just pasted all the content that I have written inside the child page, right? Now I will do certain changes. So the title will be parent page, and this thing will be, let's say the color will be sky blue, right? Sky blue. And you can see I will write here parent. So this is the parent page, right? And in the parent page I will have the iframe. But see, parent page also have iframe, but the width of the iframe, that will be more than the iframe that was created inside the child page, right? In the child page I have a iframe, the width and height, that was 400 and 360. But in the parent page I will have a much bigger size of iframe. So let it be 600 and 540. So 600 and 540. So this will be the height and width. So a bigger size of iframe that I have created inside the parent page.html, and I will also change the src. So now the parent page will embed the child page.html, child, child dash page, page, child page dot html, right? Child page.html. So try to understand this is parent page.html. Inside the parent page.html I have the child page.html, right? So let me show you. This is child page, and now if I open the parent page, you can see. So here is the parent page. Can you see? Inside the parent page, this is the parent page. So inside the parent page I have the child page. This is the parent page. Inside the parent page I have got the child page, and inside the child page I have got the content. So this is the parent page, right? Inside the parent page I have got the child page. Why I have got the child page inside the parent page? This is the iframe, you can see. So you can see this is parent page. This is parent page, you can see. Title is parent dot page, and heading is this is parent page, that is written over here. You can see this is parent page, and that includes a iframe, right? That includes the iframe. You can see width 600, height 540. Width 600, height 540. This much is 540, and this file is embedded, right? This particular file, that is child page.html, that is embedded inside the parent page.html. You can see inside the parent page.html, this, you can see this thing, this child page, that is embedded, right? So this is the child page. This yellow page is the child page, that is embedded inside the parent page. Right now if I move on to the child page, now we can find that inside the child page we also have a heading, that is this is the child page. Can you see it over here? This is the child page. The yellow color is the child page. This is the heading. This is the child page, that is written over here, and it also includes the iframe, right? It also includes the iframe with 400, height 360. You can watch out it. The child page, this also includes iframe. Can you see this iframe with 400 and height 360? Okay, so you can see in this iframe we have another content.html file that is embedded. Okay, that is embedded inside the iframe, and the iframe that I have created inside the child page. So can you see over here, inside the child page we have this content. This is the content page. This is the content page, the pink color, right? We can see this is the content page. The pink color, background color is pink. Okay, this is the content heading. This is the content heading, right? And also it has the image. You can see image. I have added the image, right? Now in the main page we can see this is the main page. So in the main page, what I will do, I will delete this thing. Okay, I will also have a iframe. So here this is main page, right? So inside the main page again I will write main. This is main page. So I have written this is the main page, right? And let me increase the height. Parent page having height 600 and 540. So let's say it will be 800 width, and it will be, let's say, 600, 800 or 600, and it will have parent page dot html, right? Parent page dot html, and let not change the color. It will be white color. Okay, now let us see. If I open now the main page, so you can see the main page, the white color, that is the main page. So you can see the white color is the main page. So I can do one thing. I can reduce the height to, let's say, 580. Okay, or you can say, okay, 580. So this is the main page, right? This is the main page. White page is the main page. Outer page, main page. Inside the main page I have the parent page embedded in a iframe, and inside the parent page I have the child page that is also embedded in the iframe that I have created inside the parent page, and inside the child page I have a iframe. In that iframe I have got the content. So now we will apply this hyperlink to show you what actually it does, right? So let me show you. So here is the content. So can you see content.html? So here I will use the anchor tag now, A. Okay, this is content. Okay, this is the content, and here in the child page. So this is the content, this thing will be accessed. Remember, this is the content, this thing will be accessed. So here is the child page, right? This is the child page. In the child page I will do one thing. I will remove the iframe first. So I have removed the iframe in the child page, and here I will create a anchor tag A. Right? Here I will write HREF, right? HREF, and HREF, here I will write content dot html. Okay, so see, content.html. So I am doing this inside the child page, right? And I will add a target self. So first I will show you self, right? So see, child page, I am modifying the child page. So this is the content page. So, and if I click the heading inside the child page.html, this content page will open, right? But that will open in the same window because I have written self, right? So let me do one thing. This is the parent page.html. Let me just reduce the width, let it be say 500, and let it be 400, 460, 440. Okay, parent. And for the main page, let it be 600 and 540, right? So see over here. So you can see this is the main page. Inside the main page I have got the parent page, right? And inside the parent page I have a iframe where that is the child page. This is the child page, you can see. And in the child page, that is the child page, here I have created a hyperlink object. So this heading is enclosed between the anchor tag and the anchor tag. If I click here, this content.html that will open, see, and target is self. So let me check out here. So this is the child page. I have created the hyperlink object over here. If I click over here, you can see, can you see this thing? Have you understood what I have written? I should have written underscore self, right? Underscore self. Now if I open the main page, so this is the main page, you can see. And if I click over here, you can see this is child page. Can you see? In the same browser, as I have written target equal to underscore self, in the same browser, okay, this content page, that page opened, right? In the same browser this is opened. So as I told you, this is by default. If you don't provide this, then also in the same browser the content page will open, right? I hope you have understood. See, child page.html, here I have created the hyperlink, right? So now I will make it to blank, underscore blank, blank. We know that as because it is written underscore blank, the target underscore blank, it will open in a new file. Let me show you. See, a new file has been created, and in that new file this content page has been accessed, right? So I hope you have understood. Now here I will write parent. So let me show you. Parent, open the document in the parent frame. So in the parent frame, the file will be opened. So let me show you. So in the parent frame, target is parent underscore parent. So in the parent frame, okay, so this file will open, but where? In the parent frame. In the parent frame, it is written here, check out, parent frame, right? So which is the parent frame? See, this is the parent frame, parent page.html. This is the parent frame. Why? Because inside this frame we have got the child page.html. So for the child page.html, this is the parent file, right? So let me show you. See, if I click here, can you see? In the parent frame, this content file is opened, right? In the parent frame, this content file is opened, right? Why? Because here parent page.html I have got iframe, and inside the iframe I have got the child page.html. So for the child page.html, which is the parent frame? This is the parent frame. This is the parent frame for child page.html, because this child page.html will be accessed through this parent frame, right? So if I write here in the child page.html, I have created a hyperlink for this object, that is heading, and the target I have written underscore parent. So that is why in the parent frame only that file, that located file will be accessed. Okay, so which file? Content.html. So from the child page I have hyperlinked to content.html, and this file will be open in parent page.html, right? I hope you have understood. Now let us see underscore top. See, open the document in the full body of the window. Open the document in the full body of the window. That means it will open in the main page. It will open in the main page. That is how we can access full body. So let me show you. So in the child page I will now write top. See, top. If I write top, let's see what happens. So this is the child page. Okay, if I once click it, can you see that content page? You can see content.html. This page is open, but where? Right at the top. Right at the top page, that is at the main page. Okay, that is what it is written over here. Open the document inside the frame. Sorry, not this one. Open the document in the full body of the window. Open the document in the full body of the window, right? I hope you have understood this 4 attribute of 4 value of the target attribute. These are the value, 4 separate value of the target attribute. Now at last I am going to discuss about the frame. So how to access target through a frame. So for doing that I will do another thing. So let me show you. See, so you can see this is the main page. So inside the main page, so I will create another iframe. Right here. So iframe. So another iframe I have created. See, right? See, now let me delete this. Okay, so another iframe I have created. Now let me close this child frame and also the parent frame. Okay, so this is the content, right? Let it be here, content. See, now here src, I will open the content file, right? See, now here I will use the name attribute. Name equal to, let's say, ABC. Okay, so you can see, so I am using the name attribute. So this iframe has a name. What is the name? ABC. Now if I copy this thing over here and I will write here ABC DEF. So I have got 2 iframe. Okay, I have got 2 iframe, but both the iframe has separate name. The first one has ABC, second one has DEF. Okay, now see. So what I will do now? So I will do one thing. I will remove this HRC. So I just have given the iframe name, right? Iframe name. Okay. So I have removed the HRC, right? Now here I will create the hyperlink, right? With the A tag, A opening and A closing. Okay. See, A opening tag and A closing tag, right? So now here I will write HREF, right? HREF content, right? .html, right? So content.html. So see. So I will do one thing. I will assign size width equal to 400 and height that will be 360. Okay. So let me first give height and width for both the iframes. So let me show you first how it appears. So this is the main page. So we can see we have two iframe, first iframe and second iframe. So first iframe has a name ABC, second iframe has a name DEF. So and also we have a, you can see this is the heading. So we have created hyperlink, right, for the heading, and here I will write target. So in the target's place I will write A, B, C. So try to understand. See, I am creating hyperlink to this object, that is this heading. This is the main heading. This heading has been enclosed with the anchor tag, and here I have written href equal to content.html. That means once I click here, once the user click here, this file will be opened. But where? In this target. Target is ABC. What is ABC? ABC is the name of this iframe, right? Have you understood? Let me show you. If I do refresh and see, if I click here, can you see the content has been opened here in this iframe, right? And if I write here DEF, that means this iframe. Now if I again refresh the browser, now if I click it here, you can see the same content has been accessed, but that is in the right side of the frame, right? So this is how we can execute this frame option through the target attribute while we are executing the hyperlink option, right? So I hope you have understood different attribute of the hyperlink. Using the target attribute, we can use different value as self, underscore blank, parent and top, and also we can execute the frame section to implement this process of hyperlink. So I hope you have understood whatever I have taught you in this class. So thank you for being patient till the end of this lecture, and do not forget to subscribe this channel, and in the very next lecture I will come up with some new topics. So goodbye for today. I will see you next